Hi friends, in this video I am going to teach you about a drainage system in India. Let's get started. In India there are two river systems. The first one is Himalayan Rivers and the next one is Peninsula Rivers. Okay, let's see one by one. Himalayan Rivers consist of various river systems. The first one is Indus, second one is Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra. Okay, Himalayan rivers are originated in the Himalayan glaciers. Okay, and next is the Peninsula River. Peninsula River does not originate from glaciers. Okay, it is formed by means of rains. Okay, the Peninsula Rivers are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kavari, Narmada and Tapti. Okay, and these rivers can dry up during summers. Okay, due to shortage of rainfall, these rivers may dry up. First we see Himalayan rivers. In the Himalayan rivers, first one is Indus River system. The length of the Indus River is 3100 kilometers. It is originated in Tibet region, okay, near Mansarovar Lake. Okay, it flows in the westwards. First it enters into Jammu and Kashmir, further into Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, and it enters into Pakistan. Okay, first it enters into Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, the rivers flows in the states are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab in India. Okay, these are all the three states. Okay, further it flows into the Pakistan and reaches Arabian Sea near Karachi. Okay, and it is the largest river in Pakistan, and Pakistan's national river is Indus. Okay, and the tributaries in India are Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum, Zaskar, Nubra, Shyok and Hanza are the tributaries in India. Okay, and these are all the tributaries which flows in India. Okay, and you can see the map. This is the Indus River which originate here and it flows to the Pakistan, and these are all the tributaries: Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, here it is Zanskar, Nubra, Zayok. Okay, these are all the tributaries which flows in India. Okay, and the next one is you guys may wonder, you have studied about Saraswati, but the Saraswati river may not be in the map because it dried up due to this is the Vedic Saraswati map, and here you can see the Saraswati river which flows, but at present there is no Saraswati river because it is dried up. Okay, and the next one is Ganga River. Ganga River is the largest river in India. It originated in Gangotri Glacier. Okay, and the tributaries of Gangas are Gomti, Ramganga, Gaghara, Gandaki, Kosi, Yamuna, Tamsa, San and Punpun. Okay, these are all the tributaries. The Gangas which flows in the state are Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. Okay, and finally it reaches the Bay of Bengal. Okay, and as you can see it in the map itself about Ganga, here it is Ganga. It flows into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, here is the mouth of the Ganga. Okay, and you can see the tributaries: Gantok, Ganghara, Gomti, San, Tamsa. Okay, and that's all. Okay, the next one is Yamuna. Yamuna is a major river in the northern India, and it is a tributary of Ganga. Okay, it joins with Ganga at Allahabad. As you can see in the map, this is the Yamuna. This is Allahabad. Okay, it joined with Ganga in Allahabad. Here it is Gang river, it is Yamuna River, and it is joined in Allahabad. Okay, you can see it clearly. And the river originated in Yamunotri glacier in Himalayas. Okay, here it is Yamunotri glacier. Yamuna is originated in Yamunotri glacier, and the tributaries of Yamuna are Tons, Chambal, Hindon, Betwa, and Ken. You can see Betwa, Chambal. Okay, and some of the tributaries that is not in this map. And you can see it here: Tons, Hindon, Ken. Okay, these are all the tributaries of Yamuna, and the river which flows in the state are Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Delhi, and Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and next one is Brahmaputra River. It originated in Angsi glacier of Himalayan Tibet. Okay, here this is the origination of Brahmaputra. It is also known as Sangpu River. Sangpu River. Okay, in China they call it as Sangpu River. Okay, it enters into Arunachal Pradesh. You can see this is Arunachal Pradesh. It enters and flow. Its longest goes through Assam. This is the place of Assam, and enters Bangladesh. Finally, this is Bangladesh, and finally into Bay of Bengal. Okay, and the next we move on to Peninsula River. These are all the Peninsula Rivers: Narmada, Tapti, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kavari. Let's see one by one. First one is Mahanadi. Mahanadi, which is located in east and central. Okay, it originated in the mouth of Chhattisgarh. It originated in Chhattisgarh but flows in the Odisha. This is the Odisha, and it originated in Chhattisgarh. Okay, and it is the most deposit. It deposits more silt because it flows very slowly. Okay, and flows through the cities Sambalpur, Cuttack, and Banki. You can see here it is Sambalpur, Cuttack. These are all the cities which flows through it. Okay, and finally it entered into Bay of Bengal. Okay, it originally originated in Chhattisgarh state, and it flows in the Odisha. Okay, and the next one is Godavari. Godavari is the second longest coast river in India after Ganga. Okay, it originated in Trimbageshwar in Maharashtra. It originated in Maharashtra. Okay, and it flows through the state of Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Puducherry. Okay, and finally it flows into Bay of Bengal. These are all the states that this river flows through it. Okay, and it is also known as Dakshina Ganga. Okay, and this is the map of Godavari. Here it is Maharashtra. It originated in Trimbageshwar. Okay, and it flows to the state of Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and finally it enters into Bay of Bengal. Okay, and the next one is Krishna River. It is the third longest river after Godavari. It originated in Maharashtra's Mahabaleshwar region. Okay, and it flows through the state of Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and enter into Bay of Bengal. You can see it here. It originated in Maharashtra, Mahabaleshwar. Okay, here it is, and it flows through the state of Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra, and finally it enters into Bay of Bengal. Okay, and the next one is Kavari. Kavari is a major river in the southern India. Okay, it originated in western Ghats of Tala Kaveri. You can see it here. This is the origination of Kaveri river, and the major tributaries are Hemavati, Moyer River, Shimsha, Arkavati, Honuhol, Kabani, Bhavani, Noyal, and Amravati. Okay, and these are the tributaries joined to form Kaveri River. Okay, it is about 800 km long. Okay, and it flows through the state of Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Okay, these are all the three states that Kaveri rivers flows through: Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. Okay, and the next one is Narmada River. Narmada River originated in Amarkantak. This is the place where Amarkantak and Narmada and Tapti are the only major river that flows into the Arabian Sea. Okay, rest of the rivers are flows into the Bay of Bengal. Okay, this is clear. And Narmada River flows in the state of Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat. Okay, these are all the three states: Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. And the length of the river is 1312 kilometers. Okay, it originated in Amarkantak. Next one is Tapti River. It flows in the central part of India. It originated in Betul district of Madhya Pradesh in the Satpura range. Okay, it originated in Betul district of Madhya Pradesh. Okay, and the river flows are Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh. Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh. The same as Narmada River, Tapti also flows in Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh. Okay, you can see it in the map. This is Gujarat, this is Maharashtra, this is Madhya Pradesh. It flows in the Satpura range. And some of the other rivers are, first one is Mahi. Mahi is a river in the western India. Okay, it rises in Madhya Pradesh and it flows to the Rajasthan and enters into Gujarat and finally it enters into Arabian Sea. First it originated in Madhya Pradesh, it flows to Rajasthan and it enters into Gujarat and finally it flows into Arabian Sea. Okay, Mahi River. And the next one is Vaigai River. Vaigai is a river in Madurai, Tamil Nadu state. Okay, it originated in Varusanadu Hills. Okay, Varusanadu Hills, the Periyar Plateau of Western Ghats range, and flows northeast to Kamban Valley, which lies between Palni Hills to the north and Varusanadu Hills to the south. Okay, this is the Vaigai River map. You can see it here. It originated here and it flows to various districts in Tamil Nadu. Next one is Sabarmati River, originated from Aravalli Hills, Rajasthan. Okay, and it flows into the Arabian Sea. And Sabarmati River, which flows in the state of Rajasthan and Gujarat. And the next one is Pennar. Pennar is a river in southern India. It originated in Nandi Hills in Chikbalapur district of Karnataka and it runs in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, it originated in Karnataka and it flows through Andhra Pradesh and it entered into Bay of Bengal. Okay, and the next one is Periyar River. It originated in Western Ghats. Okay, near the border of Tamil Nadu and flows to the some of the areas in Kerala. As you can see it in the map, it originated here and it flows some of the places in Kerala. Okay, and thanks for watching. I hope you have a clear idea about drainage system in India. Have an awesome day.